All right, time to take a look at the VEVOR room divider. Okay, wow. It actually comes with a full cloth. We got something we can use to divide the room. Got some casters. We got a case. That's cool. So we don't have to actually keep this box. We got something we can put it all in. Instruction manual. It looks like the feet for the legs. And they feel pretty heavy duty too. Got some angle brackets, hardware, and then a bunch of tubing. So it says the first thing is we're going to identify the tubes, and it looks like they're already together. Yeah, they're packaged up. So you got A1, A2, A3, A4, and then B1, B2. They are also labeled, so we know exactly what goes to what. So B1 and B2 are in a package, and all we're going to do is thread those together. Nice fine threads on here, which is good, so we don't have to worry about this thing coming apart. And that is about 8 foot long, maybe just shy of 8 feet, so very long. And here's A2, and there should be A1. Yeah, A1, so yeah, they are all packaged together. And that one is longer than 8 feet, so you want to make sure that you actually got enough room in the room to put this thing. So we are looking at 116 inches, so 9 feet on A1 and A2. A3 and A4, and then we got another set of B1 and B2 in here. So the B1 and B2, those are the sides, so that is the 8 foot tall, and then the length of this is going to be 9 feet long. It looks like these are all the locking style casters, so you can get that thing to move around if you want. Just by lifting that lock up, and then these will spin, and you can close it down, and then it locks up those casters. So glad to see that. So we're going to attach the side to the top. We just need to find where this plastic cap is. That's going to go on the top. And we need this hole to go to the inside because that is where this bracket is going to go. Then we put it on our plastic connector. And we need to find this hole. That is going to go down. I'm going to put this on now, just so I know that I got that right. Got that locked in. And you don't want to over tighten it because you don't want to strip it. And last we can fully tighten this guy. And then on the same side, we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. We just want to make sure we got this hole lined up on the inside. This one is not. I'm going to have to loosen that up to get right there. And it's okay if that's a little loose because all the support is going to be right here on the end. So we do need to make sure we got these holes toward the inside. Now we're going to take our divider, I'm going to loop it on. And just kind of weave it back and forth like that. So this is just going to sit right there. The bolt comes in from the bottom. Okay, that's it. There we go. If you're looking for a tall divider, this is going to be one you want, but you also got all the way to the floor. So very nice privacy for that. But yeah, one of the cool things about this is just like if I'm in the garage and I want to kind of divide it up a little bit, I could even take this off and I could use a fire retardant blanket. I could use half the garage for the shop, put my car on the other side, no one have to worry about damaging my car. So these things are great for that, or even if you want to do some like big green screen work. This is about as tall of a holder that you're going to be able to find. And plus the fact that it's on wheels means you can move it around easy. Yeah, that is a great divider.